Hi, my name is Anna. Welcome back to our channel. This video, we will learn what an SMT vacuum reflow oven is, and what it is used for, and how it may benefit your business. So let's get started. What is an SMT vacuum reflow oven? An SMT vacuum reflow oven is a specialized piece of equipment used in surface mount technology (SMT) assembly processes. What is it used for? The SMT vacuum reflow oven provides a regulated environment for soldering components onto PCBs, resulting in minimizing errors and increasing dependability. It works in a vacuum or low-pressure environment to eliminate voids and provide consistent solder connections. Temperature control precision allows for effective reflow soldering. How may it benefit your business? Well, incorporating an SMT vacuum reflow oven into your business can bring several benefits. Firstly, it enhances the quality and reliability of your products by minimizing soldering defects and ensuring consistent solder connections. This leads to improved customer satisfaction and reduces the likelihood of costly product returns or repairs. Additionally, the precise temperature control and programmable profiles of the oven enable efficient and consistent soldering processes, resulting in increased production efficiency and reduced manufacturing time. SMTlink is promoting this machinery at a good price. If you need it, place your order now. If you are interested, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.